Welcome to 329 White Oak Drive in Altamonte Springs. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house, completely remodeled. It's about 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Let's take a look at the neighborhood first, so you get a good idea of your neighbors. Pretty large 4,000 square foot home. It's a nice and breezy day here in Altamonte Springs. Actually pretty close to Longwood. Just about 5 minutes on I-4. As you can see, the streets are very clear. First thing we're going to look at is we're going to see that this is entirely new sod. This grass was actually just planted yesterday with a brand new irrigation system, and it was professionally landscaped. The driveway here is also brand new, freshly poured, and it's gleaming white for its first owner, and all ready to go. You have 2 covered car parking spots and probably another 2 or 3 in front of it for the length of the driveway. You have access here through the kitchen, and your guests will come through the front door. And again, this was the landscaping we talked about. You can see how attractive it is. As you walk to your front door, you can see you got some really lovely porch tile here that goes really well with the colors of the home, as well as your accent front door. Let's take a look inside. As you enter the home, first thing you come up to, this is a split level home, but a lot of little surprises. First thing on your left is your kitchen, and that door is the carport door on the outside. Kitchen here is brand new. New cabinets, new granite, complete new set of stainless steel appliances. And you get a good idea, there's a lot of storage in this kitchen, and everything is placed within arm's reach. Let's take a reverse view of your kitchen. You got a nice new view of your window, which, by the way, all these windows are low E windows, newly installed with warranty. Here's a look at your kitchen. You got an Eden island over here, as well as you have the option of having a breakfast or a small dining table right here in your kitchen. As you can see, with all the windows, there's lots of natural light. It's a really attractive space. You can take a look at the floor. All throughout the main floor in this house is some beautiful porcelain tile. Over here, you got more storage space combined with a desk area, or more prep for your kitchen, or more prep area. Good homework spot for the kids too, if you wanted to supervise them while they were doing some work. And again, that's a reverse view of your kitchen. You can see your LED lighting, all saving you money on electricity down the road. Going back through the front door, come over here. This is another huge room. You can use this as a very formal dining room, or you can combine it into a dining living area. Again, just take a look at all the natural light you got going on with your bay windows. Just beautiful. Take a reverse view, and you can see there's it's a pretty sizable room. Like I said, you can easily fit a large 10-seater dining table in here, or split it up into something smaller with a little living space. As you go through each room in the house, you're going to see new ceiling fans, all with contemporary nickel finish. Let's take a look upstairs. So from here, we're going to go upstairs. Right at the top of the stairs is your guest bathroom or second bathroom. You get to look at your nice modern fixtures. Very modern vanity. And this room is decorated with a sort of taupe tile look to it. You can get an idea. Nice little nook that's tied in with your flooring. So this is bathroom number 2. We continue down the hall, come into your master bedroom. Again, you got a nice big window over there. Ceiling fans. I'll keep you cool in summer because we all know how it gets here in Florida. Let's take a reverse view. The floor up here is all luxury vinyl tile. You never have to worry about ripping this stuff up. Waterproof. It will last for a really long time. Here is one closet. It goes beyond the doorway on either side. Lots of space inside of there to set it up how you want. The master has its own bathroom. And again, all porcelain tile in this house. Nice little 2 sets of nooks up in there. Your storage. Great fittings. Again, this is all porcelain. New plumbing fixtures. There's pretty much almost nothing old in this house. Everything's been redone. There is your double vanity, your lights. You can see, which by the way, all the cabinets in this house, they're all solid wood cabinets with that great soft close feature. I personally never get bored of that. And again, let's take a look at your double vanity again. Right next to your master bedroom is surprise number 1. You got a completely large room dedicated to whatever it is you want to do in here, with accent lighting as well as some natural light to boot. We put up a couple of choices. The most popular choice you can fit in this room is a walk-in closet. Lots and lots of space. For younger couples, you may want to have a baby room. And over here, or you may just want to have an office with double desk combined with closet space, whatever it is you want to do. But again, these are just ideas to make you think about what you can do with this space. Pretty big area for a closet. All right, let's go on to another bedroom. Walking down the hall, notice how attractive floor. Again, there are ceiling fans, brand new windows, and give you an idea of the bedrooms. And this is your closet space in the bedroom, which is pretty standard for a second or third bedroom. Then we go into another room over here. It's a natural light, got your ceiling fan going on. You got the view to outside, to the closet, and then we continue on in here. And then we come over to surprise number 2. There's something behind this door. Welcome to the surprise extra bedroom. All this is under air. Some kid or teenager, or you can have an office up here. Whatever it is you want to do. Pretty big space. It's kind of hard to capture it here. You got a view to outside. Lots of natural light. But you also have, there you go, that's better. Again, energy efficient lighting installed in various parts throughout this house. You get an idea of how big your space actually is. It's actually quite large. I think it's 18 feet long or something like that, but don't hold me to it. Lots of closet space up here. And that's it for the surprise bedroom. And believe it or not, we're only 2/3 through this house. Finally go down to the bottom level. Here's your front door. There's your fantastic kitchen again. Over there. Let's go down your steps. And here is surprise number 3. As you turn to your right, you're gonna see this is your family or living area, whatever you want to do. You got your fireplace over here. Nice accent beams installed on the ceiling. Spaced out with energy efficient lighting over here. Lots of natural lighting over there. And then voila, you got your own wet bar. All these again are new cabinets, new granite. Got your faucet thing going there. Give you a little idea what's been going to go on in this room. And again, as that picture shows, this is where the fun stuff happens. In this corner over here, you got your beer and soft drink cooler. On this side, you got your dual zone wine cooler. This is actually a countertop ice maker, so you don't have to go hustling all the way upstairs. Some extra cabinet space here for you. And from here, you get a depth idea of where things stand from behind the bar. This is going to be a great space for someone. We got a little nook area in the back here. This is where you can store all your soft drink cases and alcohol and such without it being in plain view. It's actually hidden by the doorway on either side, so you can keep all your extra stuff. Whatever else can fit underneath here. But you're going to have a lot of fun in this room. Over here is the outside area. View to the back. This is a nice porch area. You can pull up the windows, whatever it is you want to do outside. Get some fresh air and just take in nature when you want to take a break or take a smoke or whatever it is you'd like to do. But again, here is the view from over here. Finally, you go this way and you get another room. Again, this could be a playroom with a pool table. This could be an office, it could be another bedroom, whatever it is you want to do. You got lots of options here. Again, lots of natural window, lots of natural light. A double door to the back. And again, you can see the flooring. Very cool flooring. A little pass-through space in case you want to say hello to the folks in the bar area. And then in this room over here is your laundry room. Lots of light, plenty of space for shelving, whatever you want to do. A nice stainless steel wash sink here for those whoever is responsible for doing laundry. And you happen to have a half toilet put in here just in case you got that urge to go before, instead of running all the way upstairs, you got something right there. Or you're in the backyard, you don't need to be dragging mud all the way upstairs. And that's it. Oops, one more room. Like I said, this house is pretty big. This is your utility room, hidden away here. There's your AC, your electrical. Lots of extra cabinet space over here, your water heater, cabinet space. Same flooring run all the way through. And these are just some supplies that we've used while creating this beauty of a house. And that's it. It was a really long video, longer than usual, but it's a bigger house with lots of things to see. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed 329 White Oak Drive in Altamonte Springs.